Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy XRP Ripple on the Coinbase wallet. So now, as you can see, XRP is on PancakeSwap, so we will need to use it for today. Now, let's go ahead to the browser, scroll down and click on Swap on the top D apps, and scroll down until you see PancakeSwap. Click on it, and now we will use it to swap to our XRP. XRP is on BNB Smart Chain. So you need to go ahead, select the network BNB chain from all of these. Now you want to go ahead, scroll down and click on Trade Now. And from here, as you can see, you can go ahead and swap it. So from BNB, you can go ahead and choose another token. Now search for XRP. And here you have it. Now, once you have chosen it, you're going to enter the BNB amount, and that's how much you will get of XRP. The price is that much. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you swap it. After this, you will see it here on your Coinbase wallet. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.